Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 10 capped-up screws from the bottom cover. Remove the stylus and gently insert the opener pick between the palm rest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel off the plastic covering and remove one 2.5mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Gently pull back to remove the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Remove 8 4mm screws from the motherboard. Remove the metal bracket. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the stylus charger from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into its ports, and be sure to remove all the cables out from underneath. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speaker cable back into the motherboard. Plug the stylus charger back into the motherboard. And finally, plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Make sure the LCD cable fits back into its groove. Replace one 2.5mm screw back into the Wi-Fi card. Replace the plastic covering. Replace the metal bracket. And replace the 8 4mm screws back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover. And tighten the 10 captive screws.